Welcome to Carmela's Kitchen. I'm going to show you today Asian chicken wings. Yummy. Let's do it. Okay, I have a chicken wings here. I put a little salt and black pepper, just a little, and 2 tablespoons oil, and brown them both sides. It has to be cooked completely. It's about 12 to 15 minutes each side. Brown them nice. They have to be cooked completely. No cover. So 12, 15 minutes each side. Nice and brown. I believe they're cooked already. You do it like low medium. Don't burn them. Okay, let's do the sauce. About 1 tablespoon of soy sauce. I like tamari. 2 tablespoons sweet and sour sauce. Any sweet and sour sauce. About 2 tablespoons. 1 teaspoon of rice vinegar. Not that much, just a little. If you like sesame oil, like a half teaspoon. If you like ginger, shred some ginger a little bit. Maybe a teaspoon, that's enough. If you don't like ginger, you don't have to use it. 1 clove of garlic. Like 1 tablespoon of water. Taste it. If you like it more sweet, add more sweet and sour sauce. I like it that way. If it's too salty, add sweet and sour sauce. If it's too sweet, add more soy sauce. It's ready. Now we're going to put on a chicken wing. Smells good. Minute to 2 each side. A little higher. Turn the heat a little higher. More. Make sure the chicken wings are cooked already. Turn the other side. Get the other side. This side. More. A little brown. Two to 3 minutes, you'll see, until the chicken wings absorb all the sauce. They're ready. Tastes good, smells good. Ready to serve the chicken wings. You're gonna love it. Serve. Bon appetit. Thank you for watching. See you next time.